Did you do the flaps?
There's full flaps right there.
Yeah, in the wind, I'm not sure that makes much sense.
That thing just sits there.
That's awesome.
It's not bad considering this crappy weather.
Not bad.
Stuck in the Grand Canyon. Pretty much is going backwards.
Oh shit. Get rid of those flaps, man.
Part of the fun. Need more rudder. I'll take it.
I'm hoping I caught that.
Poor little airplane. Good screenshots for the video opener.
Totally.
There's full throttle.
Oh, that's cooking.
Oh yeah. Poor thing is trying like no flaps or anything. Full flaps.
It's crazy how it's just suspended in there.
Almost got that bird.
I've seen birds lately, geez.